The battlefield was chaos. Screams, blood everywhere. I saw my comrades fall one by one, not knowing if I was next. The sounds of gunfire still echo in my mind. But I couldn't leave my fellow soldiers behind. So I stayed to fight. My lieutenant told me, men can't change war, but war will change men.
Okay, there's going to be 2 fires. The object of the game is to put out the other team's fire. You want to get partners with somebody that you would trust to protect your life. Honor of Madeline. Bengal Tigers! Bengal Tigers! Bengal Tigers! Bengal Tigers! Bengal Tigers! Bengal Tigers! Lightning green and we're meat! Lightning green and we're meat! Lightning green and we're meat! I'm gonna smoke these people.
Fire's catching, and if we burn, you burn with us.
Crushing it. I'm this team's motivational win. I'm like MVP right here. I shall get you!
Let's go get the dub!
After the battle, I couldn't help but reflect on the nature of conflict itself. It's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment, but when the dust settles, all that's left is destruction and loss. I wonder how many more battles we'll have to fight before we learn to resolve our differences peacefully.
out there.
Slammed really hard into the ground.
Oh, that's weird. How many of you had a great time tonight?
But we must also remember the bravery and sacrifice of those who fought for what they believed in. Let us honor their memory by striving for peace and understanding. Only through unity and cooperation can we hope to build a better tomorrow. Hello? Anyone?
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got